Alright guys, this is Wednesday, April 8th is when you should be doing this. Obviously, if you have been sick or a little bit behind, you might get to this on a later date, but you want to be doing these in order. So we're still looking at line G today. And really, it's like if we think of this as like a combination, remember the first four measures of line G are actually just line H, just in quarter notes, right? Now we're going to attack the back half of this today. Let's go ahead and review the first four measures of line G. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to go back to line F and play line F one time. So we're going to play line F one time, and then we'll go ahead and play the first four measures of line G. Here we go. Remember, you also have some speed control here. So you have that trick with YouTube. Here we go. 1, 2, line F. And then when we go to the first four measures of line G, it's the exact same finger pattern. It's just half as long or twice as fast. Here we go. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're sitting correctly. Make sure you're also tapping your foot. That's going to come in handy. Stay right with the mat. And 1, 2, ready. If you need to go back and do that a couple of times, you can do that. We're going to go on to the next four measures here. And we're going to kind of learn them the same way as we did as line G, the beginning of line G, right? Well, the trick to that was by playing these in half notes first. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to play these in half notes first. So let's say our note names in half notes first. So these are going to get 2 counts each. You have to think of them like half notes. And 1, 2, say your note names, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we would turn the half note into a whole note, right? That's the way that would work. I know you can't really see the instrument names over here, but just in case that's the case. Flutes and percussion, you're up here. Clarinets and trumpets and horns, you're here. Saxes, you're here. And then trombones and baritones, you're down here. And tubas, you're down here on the two bass clef lines. All right, and let me see if I can get those letters out of the way for you guys. Measure numbers. There we go. Okay, so let's this time air, finger, tongue. We're going to air, finger, tongue. 1, starting right here in the fifth measure. 1, 2, 1 and 2, air, finger, tongue, go. Half note, still going slow. Half note, 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 whole note at the end, 4 off. All right, so we are now starting in the fifth measure, still playing everything twice as slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and ready. Now, like before, if you need to go back and do that a couple of times, you go ahead and do that. In fact, I would recommend you do that several times. Go back, especially if you play flute or trombone. Go back and do that a few more times. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and skip to doing them in quarter notes. So you have control, right? You can pause the video, speed the video up, pause the video, speed the video up. Here we go, quarter notes. 1, 2, 1, and 2 in quarter notes. Again, adjust the YouTube speed if you need to. We're going to do it again. 1, 2, ready. Last time. 1 and 2 and ready. All right, so once you've got that comfortable, then your last step is to go back to the beginning of line G and put all of line G together, all 8 measures of it from beginning to end. I'm going to play that for you one time, and then you can always just kind of use the YouTube video to go back and do this as many times as you would like to. So now we're going to do all of G together. Here we go. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and ready. If you got that right now, congratulations. This is one of the trickier lines in here. And once this locks into your fingers, a lot of other stuff will begin to feel easier too. Tomorrow we'll review this and we'll get started on line H. And as a bonus, we'll go ahead and do the mystery line, even though there's no, technically, Friday's a holiday, right? So that's kind of going to be kind of up to you if you want to do that.